Hi, and welcome to the Tulare Union Library. My name is Mrs. Colvin, and I'm here to give you a tour of our library and all we have to offer for those coming in. I've just come in our door, and you immediately notice that we have some displays on the windows coming in that give students information about our library rules, how to sign up for a public library card, and also how to be a digital age learner. To the left, you'll notice that we have our circulation desk. This is where students will come up once they have found a book and they want to check it out. They will come up here to one of the library staff or one of my library science students, and we or the students would help them check it out. Over here to the right, we have a maker station for students who come in that are unscheduled for a period. In our maker station, we have things like puzzles and Legos. We also have Quiver Vision, augmented reality coloring pages, and we have some board games behind the circulation counter for students to check out if they're interested in doing something where they can communicate and have fun with other students playing a game where they're using their mind. We also have some desktop computers right here, 3 of them to be exact. These are mainly for students who need to print. All of our students are one-to-one. However, they are not networked to a printer, so students who need to print can come in here and log into one of the desktop computers and do that. Next, we have our, what I like to refer to as our comfy area. We have some couches and chairs for students who want to maybe sit and relax and read, or they might be collaboratively working with a partner or a group. Or we have after school in September and October, counselors come in after school and help senior students fill out college applications, FAFSA and grant information and documents, and that's called our College Cafe. Over here we have our nonfiction section, and each of those bookshelves is in order by DDC category. Goes all the way to that last freestanding shelf in the back there. And then beyond our nonfiction section is our fiction section that is quite extensive. It goes all along our south wall and then continues along our west wall, continues all along the west wall up until you get to one of our counselor's office doors. And then when you get to his door, it continues right behind until the last metal bookshelf. Over here on the other side of the library, this is what we refer to as our reference area. We have lots of tables, again, for those unscheduled students coming in who want to work or have a quiet place to read or to even collaborate with other students on projects. We also house our biography books in this side of the library. Along the wall with the biography books, we also have some window displays for students regarding college information. We have a in-state and out-of-state college spotlight every month. We also have this semester's SAT test dates and registration dates, and the ACT registration dates and test dates as well. Along the north wall in the reference area, this is where we have our quite extensive collection of reference materials, which range from encyclopedias, dictionaries, atlases, maps, handbooks, guides, and bibliographies on various subjects. To the right of the reference materials, we have our Spanish collection. Many of our ELD students who are just learning the language or have just come to America come to the Spanish section of our library quite frequently. And then next to that, we have our children's literature, which a lot of our ELD students like to read as well as they're learning the language. Our drama department and art departments also frequent this area of the library. I hope you enjoyed this tour and seeing what we have in here in our library. Thank you.